Like the Impreza, the Crosstrek is propelled by a revised 2.0-liter flat-4. The engine is now fed via direct injection and has a strengthened block to handle a bump in compression, up to 12.51 from 10.51. Subaru claims the engine is 80% new and 26 pounds lighter. Output is little changed, however, 152 horsepower at 6,000 RPMs versus 148 previously, while peak torque remains the same at 145 pounds-ft but occurs 200 RPMs earlier at 4,000 RPM. Revised throttle mapping has eliminated the jumpy tip-in that plagued the previous Crosstrek. The engine is smooth all the way to redline, but don't expect neck snapping acceleration. Our drive took place at 4,000 feet of elevation, and accelerating to cruising speed seemed to take longer than the construction of Mount Rushmore. The engine needs a turbo, especially this far above sea level. Delivering the output to the standard all-wheel drive system is one of two transmissions, a 6-speed manual gearbox in the base and premium trims and a continuously variable automatic that's available across the line and is standard on the Limited. The CVT is a $1,000 option on the base and premium trims. We applaud Subaru for offering a stick shift, even though the take rate is expected to be only about 7%. The clutch pedal has good take-up, and the nicely weighted shifter travels through its gates with ease. As for the CVT, it has a greater ratio spread for improved efficiency, and it now incorporates 7-stepped, predetermined ratios, controllable via paddle shifters, to mimic traditional gear shifting and mitigate the rubber band sensation and redline moaning.